Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Do you guys see, did you see the name? I wound up going to my Michael's because I recently seen floor machines out. They were outside the location, just sitting outside the door one day. I was passing by and I'm like, could they really be cleaning up in there and straightening out that store in the yarn department especially? So if you guys see, I am in my local Michael's, and lo and behold, that Michael's was clean. The floors are shining, so I know that those machines was out there for a reason. So I'm just going through the yarn department right now, guys, just showing you all. This Michael's yarn department was very small, and so I see that it has increased in size. They have a bit more yarn. They have the aisles, like the middle aisle. They have stands in the middle, where there's yarn on there. There's yarn on the end caps. Me working in retail before, I kind of can know when a store is under new management. And so you can say that this Michael's has a new manager in it, and they really taken, look at the floors. They really taken pride in the store and making sure that the store is kind of kept up. Now you see some of the yarn is going through, and that's just because people they just looking at things, and sometimes the kids are in the store and they touch a lot too. So, but anyway, this Michael's has come a long way, because I did never like to go inside of it, but now it is clean. Even the manager was asking, do I need any help finding anything? And so eventually I did need help looking for some adhesive that I was looking for my daughter. But let's just say Michael's is an expensive store. The store is clean, it's stocked with yarn, and it looked nice. But the prices are still high. The only thing that's pretty reasonable as far as yarn goes is their brand, the loops and threads. But for the most part, overall, I have to give them A plus on this store, because it has come a long way. And like I said, there's a new management. You can tell when a store is under new management, because everything changes. And I'm talking about just in December or January alone, this store, the yarn department, you couldn't even get to the yarn. They had tables full of stuff. And you just couldn't even get to the yarn. So I'm happy to see, and this is the Big Twist yarn, the new Big Twist GG yarn right there. Yeah, so I want to try that yarn out. But like I was saying, I'm happy to see that this store has a new management, and that it's turning around for the better. I'll just have to, if I was to go in there for Big Twist, because I love Big Twist yarn, I'll just have to be mindful of how much I'm spending, because it's still pretty pricey. I think you buy one, you can get one half off or something like that. But get at these floors. Oh my goodness. It didn't used to be like this.